Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your difficulty level in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So for this you need to first go in a match. So I will play a match first. So I will click on match at the bottom left corner. Then I will choose trial match. Once I click on trial match, I will just randomize a team. I'm going to play against a random team, okay? After I select random team, what I need to do is on this step, you can see the setting icon at the bottom left corner. Click on the setting icon. From over here, you want to click on the second settings option. Click on the second option. Over here, you can see the option called match level, the second option. Click on it. Now from over here, you can choose whichever you want. So you can go into superstar, which is the most hardest. You can go in beginner, which is like the most easiest, or you can go in middle, regular. Now the reason I cannot choose amateur, professional, top player is because this level is only available for PC players or console players. In mobile, you only have limited version of eFootball, so you need to keep that in mind. After you choose the level you want, click on done at the bottom, and you have basically chosen the level. Now you can play the game and you will be playing against AI in that level which you chose. So I hope you understand how you guys can change difficulty levels in eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.